Hi friends, so today you are going to follow Tuesday's directions. You're going to click this link again and read the poem little by little again. I know you've already read it, but I really would like you to read it again. Once you're finished reading, you're going to go back to slide 1 and you're going to remember the words that you wrote down. So Monday you wrote down 4 words that you didn't know. You're going to find those words in the poem. So let's say you wrote down the word sank. And you're actually going to type it, but let's just say you wrote down the word sank. Then you're going to go to slide 2 and use your background knowledge to figure out what sank means. So for example, you could say, I've heard the word sank before. I remember that when I used that word, I was talking about a boat sinking underwater. So I'm going to write, I know a boat can sink underwater. I'm going to put that in the background knowledge box. Context clues. So now I'm going to go back and find the word sink, and I'm going to read all around it. Little by little an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. The context clues with the last line that says hidden deep in the earth away lets me know that the acorn went far down in this mossy bed. So I'm going to go back here and I am going to type that last line, hidden deep in the earth away. Hidden deep in the earth away. That lets me know that the acorn went down into the mossy bed. And then for the last one, I'm going to take both of these things that I know. I know that a boat can sink underwater, and that the clue hidden deep in the earth away means that the acorn went down into the mossy bed. So I think this word sank means something goes down or under something else. So sank, I think, based on the clues, means that something goes down or under something else. And you're going to do that for all 4 words that you didn't know from the poem. And do not use my same examples. If you didn't know what the word sank meant, that's fine, but don't use my same examples. Put it in your own words.